Today we find the fourth degree Taylor polynomial for f of x equals to ln x at x equal 1. Step 1.
We find f of x and the first four derivatives as follows. F of x, well, that's easy to find. Ln x. F prime of x, 1 over x. F double prime, negative 1 over x squared. F triple prime, positive 1 over x cubed with a 2 upstairs. And f quadruple prime. So again, thinking of the triple derivative as 2 times x to the negative 3. The negative 3 comes down in front, makes negative 6 all over x to the fourth. And so these are your first four derivatives of ln x. Then you simply evaluate each of these functions at the given point, x equal to 1. So the first, ln of 1 is 0. F prime of 1 is 1, and each of the others are easy to compute. You just rip off the numerator. So each of our derivatives are 0, 1, negative 1, 2, and negative 6 at x equal to 1. What do we do with those derivatives? Well, we can write P4 of x, that's the fourth degree polynomial at x. Well, it's going to be equal, by Taylor's theorem, f of 1 plus f prime at 1 over 1 factorial, just to give you the pattern, times x minus 1. Then we add on the second derivative evaluated at 1 divided by 2 factorial and evaluate that at x minus 1 squared. And then we keep doing two more f triple prime at 1 all over 3 factorial times x minus 1 cubed. And finally, f quadruple prime at 1 divided by 4 factorial times x minus 1 to the 4. That's the fourth degree Taylor polynomial of, just in general, of any function, f. In this particular case, f is ln of x, and we computed everything we need to on the left-hand side and above the pink. Plugging in, f of 1 is 0 plus f prime of 1, well, that's just 1 times x minus 1. Then we're adding negative 1 over 2 factorial on x minus 1 squared. And then we're adding 2 over 3 factorial times x minus 1 cubed. And finally, the fourth derivative at 1 is negative 6. That's divided by 4 factorial on x minus 1 raised to the fourth power. Cleaning this up, x minus 1 added to x minus 1 squared over 2. 2 over 3 factorial is 2 over 6, which is 1/3. So this is x minus 1 cubed over 3 added to negative 6 over 4 factorial is 24. So negative 6 over 24 is negative 1/4. So I need to change this to a negative 4. And this makes me think that maybe we missed a negative sign earlier. Indeed, this negative sign needs to be changed. Needs to be changed here. So we have the positive x minus 1, the negative x minus 1 squared, the positive x minus 1 cubed, the negative x minus 1 to the fourth. And there we go. That's the fourth degree Taylor polynomial for ln x at x equal to 1. Let's have a quick look at the graph to see how well this approximates ln of x. If I plot ln x, it looks like so. And if I plot my function, I can do it efficiently as sum from n equals to 1 up to 4 of negative 1 to the n minus 1. So I start with a positive term times x minus 1 raised to the nth power, and we just need to divide by n. You can see near x equal to 1, this gives an outstanding approximation to the given function natural log of x. And that's it.